So I don't know if you noticed, but the guy in the left, he's a director of a financial services company. So they give financial services advice to clients to help them manage their money better and invest their money better and to grow that, right, through a range of investments. Now, I don't know if you know, but his office is the size of a closet. It's pretty disgusting. And if you look at him, he doesn't look highly motivated and he looks pretty miserable. So, you know, sometimes I think if you want to get financial services advice from someone, you need to go to a company that is winning, right? Because his company's not winning. So the advice you'd get would be pretty bad. It's like, you know, your personal trainer's completely overweight and he's trying to show you how to lose weight. That doesn't make any sense to me. So I had someone email me and ask for some advice. How do I increase my sales? There's a guy through LinkedIn. I've been posting some stuff about sales and he's struggling with it. You know, he doesn't know how to organize commission schedules. He doesn't know how to sort of train and build a sales team, right? So, which I think is pretty common. I don't really think a lot of people know how to do that. And the reason why they don't is because no one really wants to talk about it. And companies put sales in the back room, right? Like the IT guys in the basement. It's sort of I think the IT guys are above the sales guys in some instances. I emailed him and said, look, happy to do a session, 30-minute session to help you out and have a chat about that because I need context about what his business is doing. And there's a lot to it, and without sales, your business can't grow. So looks like he's selling an IT product, IT services. So, you know, it's an hourly rate. You have a tech come out on site and they fix your printer. Or they just turn your laptop on and off and charge you $170 for it. Look, either way, it's all good. So he's trying to figure that out. So I went, here's one thing you need to know is that, are you committed to it? What's the margin in it? And does he have any sales collateral? And then the next thing is, does he have any sales experience? Like, does he know how to build a team? So he's obviously the founder. Could just be him, I don't really know. He might not have the personality type to sell. So my advice to him would be, mate, you need to go hire a sales dude. And he's gonna go, I can't afford it. And I said, well, you gotta figure that out. So your problem's not building a sales team. Your problem is that you don't have enough money to build a sales team. So it's a cash flow problem. Anyway, I'll have a chat to him and talk to him about that, but most entrepreneurs can't sell, so I'm gonna say to him, hire a sales guy, find the money, whatever you have to do, go rob a bank, don't get caught. That would certainly put a kick in the plants. And give the sales guy a great commission schedule. What I mean is pay them well. I think employers don't want to pay their sales guys well, or they want to cap them, right? Like sometimes they think the more you earn, the less we'll pay you, which is backwards to what it should be. It should be, we are going to pay you so much money, you'll never leave, and it's going to drive you to close as many deals as you can and every 30 days. Like, that's what I would do. But find the right salespeople. So you need to get the recruitment process right. So recruitment process, if you're a founder and you can't sell, find someone that can. Simple, right? Build a script for your market, make sure the script works, and everything should be okay.